How to return items to Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Your Orders option. In here, under the All Orders tab, you will be able to view all your orders. So simply go ahead and select the item that you want to return. You will then see the option for return or refund. So tap on the return option you see there and you will then be required to choose a reason for why you are returning your item. So go ahead and choose a reason from the provided option, and you can also optionally add photos in order to speed up the approval. Once added, go ahead and you will receive a prepaid shipping label once your order return has been confirmed. So go ahead and print it or use a QR code of the shipping label that has been sent to you, and then go ahead and use original packaging if possible, and make sure to include all parts and accessories of the item. Further, attach the return label securely and now go ahead and drop it off at the listed shipping carrier location. Make sure to keep your receipt or tracking number until refund is completed. You will then have to wait for the refund, as refunds usually process within several business days, and bank or card refunds can take longer than the Temu credit. So this was about how you can return items to Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.